School taught you how to pass exams, but it didn't teach you how to build wealth. It didn't teach you how to launch a business, scale income, or create financial freedom. And in your 20s, those are skills that matter most. So today, let's talk about 8 high income businesses ambitious people can start right now, even if you don't have a degree, a bank account, or decades of experience. Hi, my name is Davis. I run my own pressure washing business now, but I've learned the hard way that ambition without direction doesn't pay the bills. So if you are in your 20s and you're ready to escape the work hard trap, this video is for you. Let's dive into the 8 businesses that actually create income, freedom, and impact.